As we age, staying active becomes more critical than ever. After 50, many of us are eager to embrace exercise as a way to maintain our health, boost our energy levels, and improve our overall well-being. However, there's a surprising truth that doctors might not always emphasize. The traditional approach to exercise can be misleading and even counterproductive for older adults. Understanding this can be the key to unlocking a more effective, enjoyable, and sustainable fitness routine as we navigate our later years. The hidden truth about exercise after 50. The problem. Many people believe that the best way to stay fit after 50 is to push through high-intensity workouts or stick to a rigid exercise regimen. This mindset can lead to frustration, injuries, and burnout, especially when faced with the realities of aging bodies. Additionally, some may feel overwhelmed by conflicting information about what constitutes the best exercise routine, leading to inaction and sedentary lifestyles. The surprising secret that many doctors don't highlight is that exercise after 50 should prioritize functional movement and adaptability rather than intensity alone. Instead of following cookie-cutter workout plans, the focus should shift to exercises that enhance balance, flexibility, and strength. This approach helps prevent falls, increases mobility, and improves overall quality of life. Solutions for effective exercise after 51. Embrace functional fitness. Instead of just hitting the gym for cardio or weightlifting, incorporate functional fitness exercises into your routine. Movements that mimic everyday activities like squats, lunges, and gentle core work can improve strength and coordination. Consider activities like Tai Chi or yoga, which not only enhance strength, but also promote flexibility and balance. 2. Listen to your body. A common misconception is that pushing through discomfort is always beneficial. However, it's crucial to pay attention to your body's signals. If you experience pain or fatigue, adjust your routine accordingly. Focus on quality over quantity, allowing for rest and recovery as needed. 3. Mix-it-up variety is key to keeping exercise enjoyable and effective. Incorporate a range of activities: walking, swimming, cycling, or even dancing to engage different muscle groups and prevent boredom. This diversity can also reduce the risk of overuse injuries. 4. Prioritize strength training. Building muscle mass is vital as we age, yet many overlook strength training. Incorporate light weights or resistance bands into your routine at least twice a week. This practice can help combat the natural decline in muscle mass and support bone health. 5. Seek professional guidance. Consider consulting a fitness professional who specializes in working with older adults. They can create a tailored program that addresses your specific needs, abilities, and goals, ensuring you're exercising safely and effectively.